Bennie Master's lecture, Awakening Spirituality, Liberating All Beings. Dear friends, greetings. Today, we explore how to awaken from delusion, rely on our innate spirituality, utilize perception and awareness, and liberate all beings. I will share the core principles from three aspects: the nature of spirituality, the root of delusion, and the wisdom of awakening. 1. Spirituality. Innate and all-encompassing. Everyone possesses an inherent spirituality that pervades the universe, endowed with perfect perception and awareness. Bodhisattvas rely on this spirituality to practice great compassion, liberating beings without hindrance. If we trust this spirituality and let go of attachments, we can effortlessly manifest all things and aid others. 2. Root of delusion. Self-imposed labels. Delusion arises from identifying and establishing. From childhood, we learn to label, "This is my body, my afflictions, my gains and losses." By affirming these labels, we give rise to craving. When cravings are thwarted, anger follows. We become trapped in a self-created game, yearning to win yet always losing. Addictions and emotional volatility stem from clinging to these illusory labels, overlooking our spirit. 3. Wisdom of awakening. Transcending delusion. Awakening our spirituality. Observing all with pure perception and awareness. Recognize labels as illusory and release attachment to self. Cravings and aversions are mere fleeting thoughts. Thus, we transcend delusion and skillfully utilize all things with wisdom. Conclusion. Spirituality is our innate treasure. Delusion or awakening hinges on a single thought. May we, from this moment, awaken through spirituality, guiding all beings out of the swamp of afflictions toward the shore of purity. Thank you for listening.